Okay, let's check out our room at Disney's Saratoga Springs. So this is a deluxe studio room, and we actually have a little kitchenette, which is awesome. I have never had one of these before, so I'm really excited. So there's a refrigerator, microwave, a little sink, coffee pot, toaster. The snacks are mine. But the front lobby does sell Hot Pockets, little pizzas, things like that you can make in your room, which is great. Here is the bathroom. So we do have a full-size tub, glass doors, and we have the double shower heads, the usual amenities that we normally have. And then if we close the bathroom door, we have the vanity here, which is a nice big size vanity. Again, typical amenities we see at the Disney resorts. This is a pretty large closet. You can fit your suitcases back in here. There's an iron, extra pillows and blankets. And this does not open, so we're gonna check out this space. It's so pretty. A beautiful view of the golf course here at Saratoga Springs. And this is the bedroom. So we have a queen size bed, and then this is a pull out Murphy bed, excuse me, as well. So this will actually pull out, let's see if we can get it to move. See if the sofa collapses. And there's a really cute horse, keeping with the equestrian theme of the resort. So your room does sleep 4 people. Love the headboard. Give you guys a closer look at the detail in here. Really, really pretty. Love the simple artwork. Love these chargers that are in the lamps. I really appreciate having the bedside table chargers. We have a very big dresser. Again, more chargers over here. Very, very big dresser, tabletop, and then we have this balcony out here with this awesome view of the golf course. It's absolutely beautiful. I have never stayed at Saratoga Springs before, and I'm really excited to be here. This room is gorgeous. We are in the grandstand section up on the 2nd level of the 8500 building. And I'm very excited about the kitchenette. So if you're interested in staying in a studio like this, where you have a kitchenette and a little more space, the room is very, very spacious. So it's really great for families if you're going to be here for a week. There's lots of storage for your suitcases in the closet, so you can really be comfortable and not be on top of each other here. This is a great option for families.